Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of loose leaf tea. First off, what is it? Well, it's basically the stuff inside a tea bag, mainly teas and spices mixed together into a blend. Before the tea bag was invented in 1908, everyone made tea with loose leaf. In place of tea bags, they used a variety of different infusers and methods for keeping the leaves out of the final product. While this was a bit more involved than throwing a tea bag in a cup of hot water, the quality of the final product was so much higher. As the tea bag became more and more ubiquitous, the quality of ingredients eroded and more artificial flavorings found their way in. A good comparison is tea bags are to loose leaf as instant coffee is to espresso. There are hundreds of different ingredients that are used all over the world in different cultures to make teas with different flavors, medicinal qualities, and with loose leaf, you can explore them all. So using white, green, oolong, black, and pearl teas and a plethora of other herbs and spices, we can create special custom teas that are higher quality and so much better tasting than what you can get from a tea bag in the store. You'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Now, all of this is wonderful, but where can you buy loose leaf tea? Generally, health food stores, especially the ones with bulk spices, will carry them. And there are also dedicated tea stores, although it must be said that these are much rarer, but will often have the best selection. And if all else fails, there are a number of places that can supply any and everything you need online. I will leave some links in the description. As for spices, they can be found just about anywhere from supermarkets to specialty shops and everywhere in between. Common spices like powdered cinnamon or ginger can really amp up a tea blend and are quite easy to come by. So, with this video, we are kicking off a series on how to blend and brew loose leaf tea. Our next video will cover all the ingredients we will be using, as well as the equipment used to make the tea. From there, we will release a series of videos featuring different blends for you to follow along with at home. So stay tuned for that, and as always, thank you for coming along with us in going beyond the bag. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.